The adventure with the washing machine was something I will never forget.
Audio Jungle.
The funny thing is that I actually don't mind doing laundry. I do it every day with my kids at home. But this was a whole new experience because you actually have to take the entire washing machine and move it from the dining area into the backyard. And then I had to remember how she told me how to hook up all the different cords and hoses. And then there was this enormous bug. It was pretty challenging, you know, to figure out where everything goes and hook up the hose, and then I didn't have it tight enough, I guess, and then the water sprayed on me. But eventually it got done. I mean, they had all of their soccer jerseys because they play on the weekends. They play their soccer game and tomorrow's soccer, so we had to make sure that that was done properly.
Amanda?
So.